How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another airport update of Southwest Florida Fort Myers International Airport. Today's update of Fort Myers is the fourth update for the month of August 2022. Just like the recent Sarasota update, if you guys watched it, all of the flights included in today's airport update are canceled due to Hurricane Ian, so prayers go out to all of you guys down there who may have been affected. So definitely very unfortunate situation going on down there. Nothing really we can do to stop it, so very unfortunate. Keeping you guys in my prayers. So anyways, pardon me, without further ado, we're just going to get started here at gate Bravo 5, I believe. Yes, gate Bravo 5. We have a Frontier Airbus A320 with Sharklets in the Griswold Beartail. This aircraft will be heading out to Cleveland today, or it would have been heading to Cleveland, but it was canceled. So again, just like the Sarasota update, as I said, they are canceled, but the reason I have aircraft in here, obviously they wouldn't have flown into Fort Myers if there's a hurricane, so the reason they're actually in here and there's not just empty gates everywhere is because I did want to include aircraft in the update, just to kind of give an update of what's happened over the month of September. So that's why there are aircraft here, but in real life there just wouldn't be anything really. So yeah, once again at gate Bravo 5, the Frontier A320 heading out to Cleveland. Next up at gate Bravo 6 is the Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Keenan Blue livery with split scimitar winglets. This aircraft has a canceled service to Baltimore. Here at gate Bravo 4 is the canceled flight to St. Louis on a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 in the Hart livery. And finishing off the Bravo concourse for us today here at gate Bravo 2 is a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Hart livery with a canceled service to Columbus. Starting off today at the Charlie concourse with the United Airlines section, here at gate Charlie 5 with a United 737-900 in the Continental Retro paint scheme. This aircraft will be heading out to Newark. And next up at gate Charlie 7 is a United 737-900 in the Eva Blue colors, and this aircraft will be heading out to Chicago O'Hare. And now for the Delta section, our favorite. Here at gate Charlie 8 is a Delta Airlines Boeing 737-800, which will be heading out to New York JFK. And at gate Charlie 6, a Delta 737-900, which was going to be heading out to Minneapolis. And at Charlie 4, another Delta 739, which was scheduled to head out to Detroit. And of course, we can't leave out Atlanta, so here we have a Delta 757-200, which is a Generation 2 without winglets, and this aircraft, once again, heading out to Atlanta, or was scheduled to head out to Atlanta from gate Charlie 2. Closing out today's Fort Myers update for us, getting into the Delta concourse now, here at gate Delta 5 is an American Airlines Airbus A321, as you can see in the Medal of Honor colors. This aircraft will be heading out to Charlotte. And then at gate Delta 7 is an American Airlines 737-800, scheduled service to Dallas-Fort Worth, obviously canceled. And at gate Delta 6, we have a JetBlue A320 in the Spotlight tail, scheduled to head out to Newark. And the last aircraft for today's Fort Myers update here at gate Delta 2 is the Spirit Airlines Airbus A320, the Banana Bus, which was scheduled to head out to Chicago O'Hare. So that'll do it for today's Fort Myers airport update. Once again, a hurricane update, so obviously very unfortunate situation that happened to Florida, so prayers go out to all of you guys who were affected, are being affected currently. I know it's kind of moving up towards Charleston, so yeah. So yeah, that'll do it for the update, as I was saying, so I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless of all the cancellations. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.